Okay, this is my friend Rod's 72 300 SEL 4.5, and we're replacing the expansion valve on it and finishing up some interior items. So then it's going to get a few cosmetic things done. But it's a really nice car in 904 dark blue. This is Thomas's friend Greg's car. His engine had so much carbon buildup that when we were changing the timing chain, carbon fell from the intake valve onto the tops of the pistons and actually kept the engine from turning. So instead of trying to start the car, we wisely pulled the motor out and removed the heads and got rid of all the carbon that was in the engine, and so now it should run good as new. This is an 82 300D that belongs to my friend Kevin, and it is a very interesting car because it's one of my favorite color combinations, ivory and dark red, and we're putting a sunroof tray in it. Not fun. This is my friend Joe's CL500. I'm not crazy about these cars, but I work on them when, I don't know, I guess I got pushed into this. Maybe it's something I don't necessarily want to deal with, but it's kind of a big ugly suspension debacle and trying to get it to spit its codes out for me now. On the left is a 300 SEL 6.3 that has been a lot of fun to work on. It's a dry climate West Coast car, so apart from a lot of worn out rubber, it's been very procedural. Just replace or rebuild all the air suspension components and replace the subframe mounts and engine mounts and all the other extensive 6.3 stuff, and that's that. Today we also started a 77 280 SE that's been sitting for the past 6 or 7 years, so that was kind of rewarding. If anybody wants to buy a good clean 116 series car, let me know. It's not mine, it belongs to a customer, but I don't think you can stomach the financial burden of this car. Okay, that's all I've got time for.